YouTube. This is Sta-Green. Saturday, April the 6th, and I'm about to go shopping to get my garden together. And we got a lot of stuff to do today. This Chattanooga, Tennessee is. I'm out here. It's um, it's cloudy, but it ain't hot. It's just a perfect day to do some gardening. I made it to Lowe's. I tried to go to Walmart, but they only had 7 buckets and they were hot pink. I'm not doing hot pink buckets in my yard. So I come in here and I got some dirt. Sta-Green Moisture Max pot and mix. And I've got, I'm shaking. I got 7 buckets here. And I've got 3 bags of that mix. Hopefully that's enough. I don't know if it will be. I don't know if it will be enough, but 7 buckets and 3 bags of this huge stuff. Hopefully that'll be enough. And I got ooh, 6 buckets. I got 6 buckets at home. Anyway, I just want to show y'all what I got, and I'll show you how we'll do this when we get home. Bye bye. Okay, friends. So I left Lowe's. Finally got all this stuff loaded in the car, and I'm showing you what I did to my arm. I don't know if it was the cart when I was getting that big dumb bag out. I don't know. Anyway, just wanted to show y'all. And I got 3 big bags of dirt. I bought 10 buckets. I got 3 more, and then I got some over there. I got my planting materials. The next thing I'm gonna do is do my homemade fertilizer. I do also buy some, but I like to use this too. What we're using for the homemade fertilizer, I usually like to use more, but this is all I have right now. So we have spinach, we got eggshells, and I actually got some some mandarin peels. Later on I might do some avocados, but I put this in here with a little bit of water and mix it up, and then I mix it in the dirt along with my other fertilizer. We put a little bit of water in here, not a lot. Just enough to make sure it's gonna mix. Well, we got 10 blue buckets, we got 3 red, and then also have the ones over on that side of the garden. And this wasp don't leave me alone. What we're gonna do, since my drill has not been charged up, it's another way to do this with the buckets. Now I take a straight nail and just hammer it down and just hammer a bunch of little holes all around so it'll be able to drain. You have to drill the holes in these buckets. If you don't, your plants will die. All right, so I can't hold the phone and do this at the same time, so I'll be right back. This is what we got at the end. I got, I don't know, 8, 9 holes. You don't really need a whole lot, but it's enough so it can drain. So I put the holes in the buckets. I didn't show all of it because it's hard to do it by myself and hold the camera. So forgive me. I put a little bit of gravel in the bottom, just enough to cover it. So the purpose of the holes is keep the dirt from clogging up the hole so it don't drain. So the rocks keep the dirt from doing that. Okay, and then I filled it up with dirt. I put some, and forgive me because I'm going to mispronounce this because I can't remember, dichotomous earth or something. It's a white powder. I put that in there, and then this little, I know it's not mixed in good, but I did the same thing last year, so I figured I'd do it again. It's that mixture of spinach, orange peel, and eggshells. And we got a total of 17 buckets, and I'll show you what we did here. I have the first 2 here, this and this one are Mammoth sunflowers, and around the perimeter I put marigolds. And then these next 5 are sugar baby watermelons. Then this one is mixed colored peppers. This one is these two are Roma tomatoes. These are spaghetti squash. Now I say I didn't do regular yellow squash because we always have a huge fight with squash bugs. I've never grown spaghetti squash before, so we'll see how they go. This is Swiss chard, and forgive me for my dirty finger. Spinach, collards, cinnamon, basil, and around the perimeter is Wildflowers. And of course, that's the red Russian kale. It's looking limpy because it's been hot. I just watered it. And I forgot one. Around the peppers, I have a hummingbird mix. So I'm hoping that will kind of attract some bees, because that's one of the issues we've had recent years. And anybody who gardens knows this, not having a lack of pollinators. Because last year I had to hand pollinate my watermelons. But anyway, we got 17 buckets, and I put them up on the sidewalk because the man that cuts my grass, he may not weed eat around them, and I don't want him to mess with them. So anyway, I just put them on the sidewalk because I don't use those back buildings right now because they both need work. Anyway, this is the start of my garden. I will try to keep y'all updated weekly. And if you got any questions or comments, please put them down below. And oh, one last thing, I want to show you the little mixes I use. Yeah, they in Ziploc bags. I should have took them out, but that's the Marigold, the Hummingbird, and the Sunny Area Wildflower blend. Got it from the Dollar Tree. Well, not Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree and Dollar General. And that's what I use to put around the flowers to attract those bees and pollinators and things. Anyway, God bless y'all. I'll talk to you in the next one.